Surprise from shipping on the high seas as ZIM integrated shipping services exceeded quarterly earnings expectations with $2.45 per share, a significant increase from 75 cents per share a year ago. The company also posted higher than expected revenues of $2.01 billion, up from $1.56 billion in the same quarter last year. ZIM's strong first quarter 28% year-over-year increase is attributed to higher freight rates and carried volume. Despite macro uncertainty, ZIM is making more money per cargo. Operating cash flow surged to $85 million, and its cash position increased by $230 million to $3.37 billion. Despite uncertain market conditions, CEO Eli Glickman expressed confidence in ZIM's resilient business model and strategic investments, which position the company for long-term profitable growth. The board also declared a regular cash dividend of 74 cents per share. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.